Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to talk about this new AI tool called Kling AI. Created in China, was only available in China before, but now is available worldwide. In this video, we're going to talk about how to sign up, how to create AI images, and how to create AI videos. If you stay till the end, I will provide you a new shortcut to create amazing AI videos, which will really help you to enhance your AI video creation skills. Before we dive into the tutorial, I would like to show you what this tool is capable of. I have a couple of videos to show you as an example, which were like early releases, and these videos are 1080p. So that was created by AI. This is the first one where the prompt was a woman walking in a beach. Now, the other video I have was a trailer created for a horror movie. Just listen to this. The audio was generated by the AI as well, and so as the video.
I wouldn't go out into those woods if I were you. I've been hearing kind of weird sounds.
Just
We
amazing
have
how the
some
views are. All
footage
these
of
characters
our
created by
missing
AI.
ranger.
Hold on, go back. Pause it there. What the that?
Honestly,
So now you can see what this tool is capable of. We're going to create something very similar in this tutorial, and I'm going to show you how you can create other AI videos as well. So, all right, so on this klingai.com, we need to first go and sign up for this account because they're going to provide us some free credits that are good enough for a few videos. So to do that, go in here and click sign in. Once you click the sign in button, click sign up for free. Now here, before this video started, I tried to use some temporary email, but unfortunately it will only take into some valid domain names, for example, Gmail or yahoo.com. So make sure you register with either of those accounts to make sure your account is registered properly. So for this, I'm going to use my Gmail account. It will ask you to complete the verification. So just slide in and verify your account so that it can give you the access. Here you go. Now it will ask you for a verification code. Make sure you enter the code from your Gmail account and click sign in. Now that you have signed into your account, you have 66 credits right here, which will let you create AI images, AI videos, but these credits will expire in 24 hours. So you have unlimited credits for now, and you can create images and videos and try it yourself. So this completes your sign in process. Now let's go and create AI images. So for AI images, I will click this button right here under AI generation. This will bring me to this workspace where I can write here a prompt, and I can also provide reference to an image so that it creates a similar image. You can try these settings once you are familiar with it. And here you can also provide the settings, the type of picture you want. So you can create these pictures for your thumbnails, or you can create it just for sharing in WhatsApp, on TikTok. For our case, we can just keep the settings as default, which is 1:1. And I'm gonna make sure I have number of images as 4. I don't want to waste my credit. So let's write a prompt here and try how good this Kling AI is. So for our prompt, I'm gonna write futuristic city floating in the clouds with buildings made of glass and light, connected by glowing bridges and surrounded by flying vehicles. So this is good enough. I'm just going to click auto connect, futuristic, and I'm going to use generate. It will use my 0.80 credits. Let's see. So now it's generating images. So now the images got created, and these were the 4 images generated. It's amazing, and they look so realistic and very similar to the prompt that we created before. We can click bring to life to create a video, or we can use it as a reference and adjust it. Let's do as a reference. So now I can write a prompt to edit this video or maybe use it as a reference. So I'm going to keep my original prompt same, and I'm going to write make the sky red. And I'm gonna go ahead and we can adjust the reference strength, how much reference we want to use. I'm gonna make sure I use 100%. Basically, I want you to use exactly the same image, but I want to make it the sky red. I'm going to click generate again. This takes a little bit more of my credits just because I'm using a reference image, and I click generate. It's generating the images again on my right side. Right, so it generated the images again. The sky is a bit reddish in here, and you can see it used that image as a reference and a little bit expanded the city. So you got the gist of it, right? How you can use the Kling AI's images. Now it's a bit more realistic than normally you would use in other AIs and a bit more stronger. And now what makes Kling AI different is the video part. So we're going to head down to the video and create videos out of Kling AI. To try the AI videos, you need to go to the home page again and click AI videos. Now, once you click it there, it will take you to the workspace, which looks exactly like AI images, but in this case, it will create videos for you. So it's going to generate text to video. As you can see, that's what I have selected. You also have an option to create image to video, but let's start with text to video. So I'm going to give it another prompt here. Let's say an enchanted dragon with scales that shimmer like gold, perched on a mountain peak with a sunset casting a warm, ethereal glow over the landscape. Now, once you have written your prompt, you have settings here, how much creativity you want, or how much relevancy you want of the prompt. I'm going to keep the default settings at zero point 0.5 right here. And then there is a standard mode or a professional mode, and the professional mode is a premium one. Length could be 5 seconds or 10 seconds, and it currently does not support 10-second video. For that, you need to change it to professional mode, which is a premium version. So that's going to keep it 5 seconds. Aspect ratio can be for your 16:9 or 9:16 ratio. Gonna keep it default as well. You can adjust the camera movement as well. We will come back to it in next once we have created this prompt. And then there's a negative prompt as well, things you want to not include in the video. So now I'm going to utilize my 10 credits and go ahead with it. So the generation has started on my right. You can see that the creation is brewing and it's going to take a few minutes, and I'm just going to leave it as is, and I will come back once the processing is done. It took a few minutes, but now the video is generated. You can download the video and play it. I've already downloaded the video and here it is. Just see how amazing it is. So original, and all the camera angles that it is displaying is just amazing. Now I'm going to try another prompt here. I don't feel that it's showing a lot of motion here. It's just a camera movement. So I'm going to have a new prompt where I say a tiger playing guitar in front of the animal kingdom on a stage made out of wood and stones. All right, so I have this prompt created. I'm going to keep the same creativity level and the 5 seconds length. I'm going to make sure the camera movement I change this time to more like roll. All right, so I will have the roll movement and I'm going to make it, let's say 3. All right, I'm going to tilt it a little bit and I'm going to click generate, and now it's going to take a few minutes again to generate the video. I'm just going to wait for it and see how it comes out to. Now the processing is finished and this is the video that is generated. I have already downloaded the video for you, so I'm just gonna play for you and show how realistic the image is. So here you go. So there is a tiger, there is a guitar beside it. It's not actually playing it, so maybe it exactly didn't got what I was trying to do. I tried a few other creativity levels, so I moved around this creativity levels to adjust the video. So here I have another one here. Let's see. And this creativity is pretty low. And as you can see, it's playing guitar. There is Animal Kingdom, but not much of realism. Another video where I played around with creativity and relevance. Again, not so amazing, but it's still doing what the prompt says. I guess you can play around with the prompt and make the video much, much better. Thanks for staying till the end of this video. Now, here's the bonus tip for you. Create amazing prompts from for Kling AI to generate from text to video. We would go old fashioned and go back to ChatGPT. Yes. So we're gonna go back to ChatGPT and write this prompt. Create a prompt for Kling AI to generate text to video for topic, and where topic is tiger playing guitar. So you can change this with whatever your context is, and it's going to create a prompt for you. And you can use that prompt and paste it back into Kling AI, and then it will generate those images for you. Thanks for watching the video, and if you learned something new today, imagine what else you could discover. So hit that subscribe button.